And the news keeps getting worse. 200 seniors were turned out of a Mississauga retirement home with nowhere to go late last year. Thanks to limited oversight on housing for vulnerable people and a lifting of rental controls in Ontario by the Doug Ford government, more than 81,000 Ontarians are now homeless. Some housing advocates say the number is closer to nearly a quarter of 1 million Ontarians. Nearly a quarter of those without stable housing are seniors. And then Doug Ford had this to say about Ontarians who were experiencing homelessness. Quote, "You know what the best way to get people out of the encampments? To get out of the homeless? If you're healthy, get off your ASS and start working. Like everyone else, very simple." Unquote. How will medically vulnerable seniors do this, Doug Ford? Thanks to Doug Ford's elimination of rent controls, Toronto rents have increased 40% in the last 2 years. Even Ontarians working full-time or with several jobs have trouble making their rental payments. How will seniors on fixed incomes manage? The answer, they don't. Now, the number of Ontarians on the Ontario Disability Support Program, or ODSP, or on Ontario Works, who are now homeless, has doubled. The Ontario Health Coalition has taken legal action against the province of Ontario over the granting of a new 30-year license to Southbridge Care Homes, a for-profit company that owns Orchard Villa. Natalie Mayfra, the executive director of the healthcare advocacy group, said this, quote, "In case people have forgotten, it's one of the most notorious long-term care homes in the country. 206 of 233 residents contracted COVID-19, almost everyone, and more than 70 died." Unquote.